Myntri rang ba sarkar jala konat konggal sama mentakasi ning kong country tri Risaw aja apulai. Oleh hidala dia ban Jurip ke Iing mau wala Pluh hajan kapayal senama yau khandai lat Shillong. Ban sakhi dala jong hikmat halu kano kate ke Jing Pluh kate ke Iing mau kala jular. Yau Myntri rang ba lasnran lang halu kate ke jaka dau Chief Secretary uba DP wa lang u DGP u Dr. LR Bisnoy bat ki wei ke he sarkar. Myntri rang ba ulap penlong ru ya ke Jingialang bat ke he sarkar. Patha ru eki ban sim jing khain hadu kano kate ke jingja kala ja kat hadu ban da sim ya ke wei ke men sim breu. Bat pha ru ek kerwa sangolem se kitu bla du no ya ke wei ke men sim bat sabaro ek bla mat ke jing sya penjulor ha ki tlik ding ba sir khai. Ha ba kran halo kate ke jingja ulo ong. Makani ke jingja ha pedeng yo nalor ba kalong ka bakhim ba wal ra jing e bha se ginong trei penlip ding. Kumnu ban poi sa kate jaka ban tem ya ke ding. Hande lo ai khulei pat ya baro ginong trei kitanat pelip ding. Kata nalu pulet kisipai bagi border strike. Ki brasim khiai la kam ba deling ba jungki. Bala am penjajai ke jing rhem ke ding ba kanom klang se ki wei pat ki jing tei ba ki yeng ki stem ki bran marjan. Luong ru ba jing tokit batikna kadang ya menta. Ha ka bai dei ba kate ke jing Pluh ding na kaliang ka sarkar jala kan lum kerki ya ka Jingialang ka Kynhun Myntri sarkar ha khat pratrik Risaw aja fulai menetai benya kerpang ya kate ke jingja. Ban kedau hang ni ke jing Pluh ding basir khai ka wei ke Iing mau hayo khnai lat Shillong kalaja ka jing sajany ka khasau trik Risaw aja fulai porno phaisngi bat klasim por hadu kumba palat ya ka arphau saw kenta man tem ya ka ding baru nalor ka jing du ba jing julor ki jing dan jing em jong ka te ki jing tei kan thop ki dukan bar ki wei klasim ru ya ka wei ke men sim breu
of the fire incident that took place in this bazaar 48 hours back, and it was a very tragic and a very unfortunate incident and an accident that took place, and we do express our sympathies and our concerns to the families that were affected by the fire and the accident that took place. I would like to mention that this had a very, very big potential to be a very disastrous situation because this was in the middle of the market area, a very congested area and a very difficult area for the fire services and other services to come in and do their work. But in spite of the challenges, the different departments, especially the fire service, the army, the air force, the Assam Rifles, the BSF, and the community and all the other officials from different departments had come in and really worked very hard. If you can see behind me, the buildings are very close, and even behind the buildings there were other small residential areas. But in spite of these challenges, the department and the officials were able to contain, and the fire did not spread beyond this particular building, and that in itself is something that I must thank and appreciate the work that has been done by the officials from, as I said, the departments, the fire service, the police, the administration, and NDRF, SDRF, and of course the armed forces, and a special mention to the armed forces who really supported us in this very, very difficult and complicated situation. And the community was also very supportive of us. At the same time, this is also, of course, a situation where a detailed investigation will be done, and we will go into details of the reasons why this has happened. And of course, we will also go into issues of how to make sure that these kind of complicated situations are avoided and can be stopped in the future, and also to measures on which how we could improve the overall service and the response that we will give. Though the response here was very swift, we still have a challenge. The building was also in a way a go down, and hence it has got a lot of materials inside, be furnitures or other kind of plastic materials, and therefore those kind of materials also inside led to the challenges. And as I said, in spite of all those challenges, the fire did not spread to other buildings, and that was in itself a great achievement. But as I said, we need to go into details and find out what has happened, how it happened, and what measures to take in the future to ensure that not just in Shillong but in any other part of the state, we avoid these kind of situations. Safety audits and other audits will need to be done. All of these will be examined. We are having a cabinet meeting on the 18th, and a detailed discussion will happen on that day. Thank you.